Alright guys, welcome back. So I just want to show you what you have to remove to see your injectors on this 2010 Audi A4. So right here, the injectors. So I'm having a cylinder one misfire, so I replace the ignition coils and spark plugs, but I still get in the cylinder 4, so I'm going to check the injectors to see if anything wrong with any of them. But first you have to remove this piece here. So this is the intake manifold. You have to get rid of that first, out the way. And first you have to remove the oil filter also, because there's a sensor right here that's gonna prevent it from come up right here. So I just do this video to guys to show you what you need to do to remove your sensor, your injectors. So these are it right here. Okay, so this is one of them. Okay, super hot. Dang. Right, so let me show you the other tools. You have to use a 10. So right here are some 10 nuts. Go on these studs right here. And the other sets are some. So this is what I use. Let's see if I can get a better view of it. So this is a T30. So I use this to remove the screws. These screws right here. These come from the intake manifold. I use this drill also to remove it. Some of them because I cannot use this socket, this extension, because it's too big to remove the bottom ones. I use this extension right here with the drill. So if you find this video useful guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.